Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. We have another set of card candy this one's from Carrie Taylor in my team. And we call her Carrie with the K because she spells her name K-A-R-I, and then we have Carrie with the C, which is C-A-R-R-I-E. We have already shown Carrie with the C's card candy, and so today is Carrie with the K's card candy. Okay, so Carrie used the Thoughtful Expression stamp set. Now this is one I don't have. I know everybody loves it. For whatever reason, I don't have it yet. Now she also used some different dies. I'm not sure where those dies are from. The dies did not carry over from the previous catalog, so we still have the stamp set. It is on page 127 of the new catalog right here. Dies are not included, those are gone, but you could substitute with other dies if you want, and then just do, a little fussy cutting. Okay, now Carrie, so our swap was before the catalog ended, so Carrie used the Tahitian Tide cardstock, and cardstock here, but the blends to do a lot of her coloring, and it's just beautiful blues in this set of elements. So I did pull a little bit of my retired Tahitian Tide out for making the card today. I also grabbed just a bunch of others. I did some Asia Afternoon, Granny Apple Green, Parakeet Party, and White. I don't know if I'll use them all, but we'll see. Okay, we are going to start. Let's start with this sweet little happy birthday right here. Okay, we'll set those aside for a minute. I want to put this on white because you don't want to put blue on blue. But we could absolutely do a base of Tahitian Tide. Okay. And then let's grab, I had cut a bunch of white layers as I'm doing these. I may cut that down just a little bit. I think I want to do a little smaller than 4 by 5 1/4. So let's go down just maybe, let's do 3 1/2. So that's 3/4 of an inch down, and so that makes us 4 3/4. Okay. And I want, since that's a pretty element just on plain white, let's add a little texture to this. So I'm thinking I want to use I love the Brick Wall embossing folder. That's like my favorite for just adding a little bit of texture. So I've got this Brick Wall. It's a little bit of a mess. I have been doing a lot of die cutting lately. And let's just put this in here, hopefully straight, so our wall's not crooked. Run that through. Okay. I think we can get four cards out of this beautiful set here. Now I could do a layer behind it, but I think that looks pretty. Oh, that looks pretty just how it is. We'll put some rhinestones on there too. This looks like, oh no, I stuck that on, I wasn't ready. Dimensionals are already on the back. Okay, I'm trying to find where I put my adhesive here. Okay. Now this one I'd add a piece of white in the back, or in the inside too. But I'm just going to put this right in the middle because that is gorgeous. Let me see if I have some plain rhinestones. That's what I want. And here they are. Okay, what have we got? I have been using these in class this month. So I've used up most of my large and medium. I have lots of small, but let's go ahead and put, now I kind of like the yellow there. So we're gonna do a large and then a medium and a small right there. Cute, just simple, simple, simple. Okay, now let's go to our next one. I love this one, and then the little peekaboo element kind of showing through there. So let's, I don't want that to stick. Let's look at some, let's do blue on white. That looks, you know what? I think I like it going that way. So let's do our brick wall embossing folder going this direction to add some texture. Okay. Bring that back in again. Make sure to always put your folded half of your embossing folder in first. Run through there. Okay, I need like 3 hands to do what I'm doing here. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, let's put this, we'll do opposite. We'll put this one on a white card base. This would make a really pretty set of cards to give to someone. Okay, this is a little bit bigger than that one. I think this is 5 by 3 3/4. The white layer on the other one was 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. Okay, but this element's a little bit bigger. See, it's a little bit bigger. And I think we can just stick that right there. All right, let's grab our rhinestones. Let's just use a bunch of small, well, I don't know. Let's do a big one and a medium. Nope, that's big. Medium, and then we'll do a small one down here. I think that'll be good. Cute, isn't that pretty? Okay, we've got 2 more. So we have got this gorgeous big piece using the hummingbird. So let's see. I just want to, all right, the leaves kind of get lost in there when I put it on green. Let's look. That's not too bad, but I'm almost thinking white would really make this pop. You can see that a lot better. Let's do that. Let's go with white, and let's do the Azure Afternoon base like that. And what else? We'll do a sentiment. So let's grab our something fancy sentiments. And let's see, it could be sympathy or birthday, wedding. Let's do, it's a little bright. Oh, I don't want this to stick down yet. It's a little bright for sympathy, but that'd be a pretty wedding card too. Let's just do, let's make a wedding card out of it. Here's to beautiful beginnings and happily ever after. Okay. I'm going to stamp this on the left. And I don't know. I don't know that I like that for a wedding card though. Let me look at my other sentiment set here. What do I have just up here? Very best occasions. Let's look at this. Let's do this one. Sending you smiles for every moment of your special day. That could be for Mother's Day, it could be birthday, it could be anniversary, it could be wedding, it could be a lot of things, and it's super cute. Okay, let's do it in black, only because we've got the outline stamped in black. And then, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut this down first, and we're gonna put a little black border around it because that is going to really pop. Okay, I'm gonna cut this down to 5 by 3 3/4. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab a piece of black. I should just have black over here. Let's see. I feel like I should have some black here. Here's a scrap. And we're gonna make this 5 1/8. I'm gonna make just 1/8 of an inch wider than our white by 3 7/8, or 3 7/8, that's right. Okay. Now, so we're gonna put this on Azure Afternoon. So let's see the difference. When you're putting just white onto the blue, and it's nice, but let's add a very thin line of that black and see how much like more vibrant that is, how that pops out and just makes kind of a statement. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna be straight. It's not very straight. I can see. Sometimes, you know, I don't get my stickers straight, and that's a me problem. Okay, pretty close. All right, let's put this on our black. To get that centered, okay. And then our card front. So on all of these card candy cards we've been doing this week, I'm trying not to add too much because I just want the beauty of these pieces to stand out. Okay, I'm gonna add just maybe a couple more small dimensionals. That's actually a pie, but I'm not gonna worry about it. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Let's add a couple of rhinestones. We'll do a small and a large, and then we'll do a medium and a small. I actually have an extra. I have a ton of small ones. I'm gonna add a little small one over here. Triangle 1, 2, 3. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. Okay, we have one element left. We are going to, I'm gonna grab a note card. I love these, our note cards and envelopes. There's 20 note cards and 20 envelopes in a pack. These are, you can mail these. They're the right size to mail. See, already comes with the envelope. It's already scored. I love these things. Okay. Let's go ahead and fold that. Okay, this is going up and down. I think I'm going to do it like this and then put a little sentiment underneath, but I want to do the Azure Afternoon. I might just cover that whole card front. You can do that too. You can cover the whole card front with that. So these are 3.5 by 5. So let's trim this down. Oh, that's already at 5. So now we just got to trim this to 3.5. Down on our card front and just make our whole card with this beautiful retired color that we're all gonna miss, Tahitian Tide. All right, the trick is just getting it to cover the whole front and get it on straight. Okay, we've got that. I want to do a sentiment. Well, this would make a cute little thank you card. So let's do, I think, do I have that in here? You're the best ever. I sure do. Okay. I'm just going to see. I hope it stands out. Let's see which way. I think I like this. I'm going to gently set that there. And I'm going to try doing You're the Best Ever right on top. It may not work. If it doesn't, I will stamp it on white and we'll just make a little banner. Or I could do Versamark and paint it with white. But the idea is to make these simple cards. I think that's okay. I think it'll be okay. Very cute. You're the best ever. Hold on. Let me get it straight. I feel like I need to add something. Hold on a second. What do I want to add? I've got this black. All right, that's not straight. I think it's me. Let's just put this in here and see what happens. I'm looking for my scissors. There they are. Okay. I'm going to flag. I'm going to cut it right here. And then let's flag it. Make sure my head's not in the way because I got to look under my glasses to do this. Just that adds a little bit there. Just to add a teeny bit, because you've got blue and white, we need to just break it up a hair. Put a little bit right there. Cute. Okay, let's grab our rhinestones. And we're going to do just small ones. I have a ton of small rhinestones. I must want to put them on the tag part. I always do it in groups of 3. Right there. I think that's cute. I like that. Just adding, you know what? We could even do 2 strips of black, but I've already done it. I'm done. Sometimes you also have to know when to say no and to just stop. So those are our beautiful cards today from Carrie Taylor's Card Candy. This is still not straight. I don't know if it's me or what. There we go. Okay. I would love to have your order and your patronage. And I've got a link below my YouTube video in the description for ordering using the May host code. If you place an order of $50 or more, you'll get a little gift from me. So I would love that. And thanks so much for stopping in. We have more card candy in the next few videos, so make sure to check back. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.